Georgia legislators passed two bills related to immigration this session, and both have the law enforcement community concerned.
Yeah, it's not about what's in the bills, but how they're going to enforce it. 11 Alive's Karis Belger has been digging into those concerns, trying to get answers, and joins us live tonight. Karis.
Well, I spoke with the lawmakers behind HB 1105 and HB 301. Both of those gentlemen tell me that they have overall heard support for these bills from their constituents. But when it comes to 1105 in particular, they're hearing concerns from law enforcement about how they will be able to enforce these measures.
And it specifically deals with criminals. And I want to say that a few times, criminals.
Passionate words echoed through the chamber as lawmakers discussed and eventually passed HB 1105. The legislation requires police and sheriff's departments to identify undocumented immigrants who commit crimes and detain them for deportation by federal immigration authorities.
But the cooperation with ICE is consistent. And we're asking everybody to do the same thing.
State Representative Jesse Petrie introduced the bill in January and tells me the goal is to streamline cooperation between officials at the state and federal level.
Those jail reports are now going to include what kind of responses have come back from ICE. So hopefully there's going to be more transparency into the degree with which ICE is doing their job or not.
Working with the federal government is something Petrie and Terry Norris, executive director of the Georgia Sheriff's Association, tell me is a major concern. Less of a concern is HB 301, which allows citizens to sue cities and municipalities they believe are in violation of state immigration laws.
All we did was add those in there to make sure that every mayor, every city councilor, every county commissioner understands that they must follow by federal law.
But only one is considered a burden, mostly Petrie says, because of the additional cost of quarterly record keeping. It's something he says he will help alleviate if necessary in the next legislative session. Now, Terry Norris, the executive director of the Georgia Sheriff's Association, did speak with me over the phone. He was not available for an interview, but he says overall he and his organization support HB 1105. There is the concern of the additional cost that comes with the quarterly reporting requirement that is inside of the bill, but Representative Petrie tells me that he's heard these concerns. He's been in touch with Mr. Norris, and he says that he will work on alleviating those concerns in the next legislative session if it's necessary.
Karis Belger live for us downtown. Thank you.